Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and I love black Teslas. As a matter of fact, I love black cars. All of my Teslas have always been black. You guys have probably seen it in the videos. I have wrapped a few, but at the end of the day, I love black and I love it when it's monochromatic. And that's exactly what this customer wanted for his 2021 Tesla Model Y Performance. So check it out, right? The car is black. It's a new Model Y, so all the trims are satin black from Tesla. No more chrome delete, but we did some more things to go ahead and make it look cleaner, sportier, and let's get rid of the plastic. Starting off with all the lower plastic trims underneath the front bumper, the wheel arches, the side skirts, the lower rear diffuser. As you Model Y owners know, they're all textured black plastic. And while it blends pretty good, it's not as clean as smoothed out, painted body color. Check it out, really cool, looks very different than every other Model Y. Then we went ahead and we actually painted the door handles gloss black. They were satin black from Tesla, and that looks pretty cool, but I think it blends and looks so much nicer that they're gloss black. Now the wheels. Being a performance car, you know it came with 21-inch Uberturbine wheels with Pirelli tires. The tires are cool, the wheels are cool, but the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's 21-inch, same size, is just a better looking tire. It is a perfect fit for the Model Y. It is load rated, but if you take a look at the Pirelli tires, kind of rounded off on the sidewalls, and the Michelins are a little bit more squared off. These are small details that really change the appearance of your car. And now the wheels. 21-inch TY115 wheels that are one-piece forged. These wheels are much lighter and stronger than the 21-inch Uberturbines from Tesla, finished in gloss black to continue with that monochromatic look. Very sporty wheel, very minimalistic, shows off the beautiful performance red brake calipers, which everybody loves. Take a look at the outside of this Model Y. I mean, it's really cool. And here's the best part. You cannot even tell that we have actually applied PPF, paint protection film, on the complete exterior of this car. Using the Xpel film, which is the finest in the industry, we are actually now protecting this whole car from rock chips, road rash, other types of weather elements. The film takes the hit. The film has self-healing properties, and if it gets hit really bad, in most cases, it will still protect the paint underneath, and you just have to replace the film and reapply it in that area. So much more cost effective than having to do body work or paint work. But what I love the most about doing a full car in Xpel, especially on a black car, is that now cleanup is very easy, soap and water. All of us owners that have black cars, you know what it's like. You wash your car today, tomorrow it's already looking dirty. You could see all these like spider webbing and light scratches. Not when the car is completely wrapped with paint protection film by Xpel. So this Model Y, as you can see already, has received a lot of customizations from us, and we're almost done. But let's speak one more time about how important it is to tint your Teslas using the finest film in the industry made by 3M called crystalline. This film applied on all glass surfaces will actually cool your interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot days, especially here in LA, and also give you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and your interior. And this interior received also some really nice treatments, starting off with the dash. Well, because this car came from Tesla with a black interior, it has the open pore wood dash. And while that's pretty cool, it's not really matching this very aggressive, sporty vibe and vision we have going on over here. So the customer chose our matte carbon fiber dash cover. It's real carbon fiber. It goes right on top of the wood. DIY, we have videos on that. Super sporty, looks really cool. And to go ahead and just make it complete, this customer also went for our matte carbon fiber steering wheel. We take the original Tesla Model Y steering wheel and we modify it in the upper curved area with real matte carbon fiber in a perfect finish. We maintain the same thickness of the steering wheel that Tesla has. We do not make our steering wheels thicker. We do not even address the rest of the wheel, just the upper curved area, and it matches perfectly with the dash decor. Anyway, Tesla fans, thank you so much for watching. I know this was a big build. I'd love to hear your comments below. What do you think about painting all the lowers and giving it this monochromatic look? Was it a good idea? Was it a bad idea? I'd love to hear your comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.